How to change voice on Snapchat on the new update. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically change your voice on Snapchat on the new update. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your voice on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch the Snapchat app here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just have to hold to record a video. Or what you need to do is, in order to change your voice, you can see there is no voice button or the voice effect button. So how do we get a voice effect? Well, for that you have to scroll all the way to the right hand side of your screen until you get to the lens filter page, which is basically the explore button, as you can see here. So once you're on the explore lenses tab, just go to explore, and once you go to explore, in the search bar what you want to type in is you simply want to search for a voice effect. So when you type in something such as voice, you'll be able to set different type of filters based on the voice that you want to use. So basically what you want to do is just go ahead and select a specific voice effect here, and now you simply want to record your video. In this case, once you record a video, this specific voice is going to be added in a specific audio caption or in that voice effect over here. So once you've satisfied with the voice effect, you can tap the next option to do so. This way you can change the voice on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.